What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at the NQ chart. I'm looking at the 1 hour view. First things first, Apex 80% off sale ends tonight. So if you guys want those 80% discounts, use my discount code DAnthony. Also, daytraders.com is 90% off. You can use code DAnthony as well. What we're looking at here, NQ chart, I'm looking at the 1 hour view because today we had a nice little sell-off, which is to be expected, guys. We were trading at all-time highs. Anytime you're trading at all-time highs and sweep all-time highs, you can expect a pause, right? You can expect a little bit of a pullback. The market doesn't just go straight up and straight up and straight up. Now, if you didn't catch the short today, or maybe you're a little hesitant, it's okay, right? You're going to get another trading day. Days like today where the market seems like it's grinding a little bit. Like there was a period of time today. Today's the September the 23rd, by the way. There was a period of time today where the market literally for about an hour and a half to 2 hours went sideways. It went up, it went down. It went down, it went up. It went up, it went down. And essentially went nowhere before we finally started to wash out. Now, one big key level that I was looking at today on the NQ chart was much, much later in the day. And this 1 hour chart looking at the 50 simple moving average. Look at what happens here. We kind of broke through this. You could see this white line here. I know I've got a lot of shit on the screen, but if you look at that white line, that was a bear flag that I drew on a 5-minute time frame. And the reason I was looking at that because it was so close to this 1 hour 50 SMA that if we broke down through that bear flag and we started to lose the 50 SMA, there was going to be some room to the downside. Now, once we finally washed it out, it went down a lot. Like, look at the price here from 24,900 all the way down to 24,825. I mean, this is 75 points from demand to demand, 75 points in 1 hour. And I'm not a trader who's looking for 50, 60, 70 points on a trade. I'm looking for like 10 to 12, 10 to 15. So anytime I get an area like this, my eyes really just, they open up, right? Because this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for gaps. I'm looking for spaces. I'm looking for measured potential. And that was a really good trade. So what I want to talk about is tomorrow. So tomorrow being September the 24th. We're on a little bit of this end of day going in now to like this Asian session. We're on this little bit of a dead cat bounce. Market's starting off pretty flat right now. It's up 8 points, which is nothing on the NASDAQ. So current price 24,836. We're running into the linear regression channel here. I've also got a 10 SMA and a 50 SMA here going to act as resistance. These two supply zones here, if we continue to bounce, I'm going to look for the rejection to see if that wants to come back down. I don't really see, long potential until we get over 24,900s again, which is about 75 to 100 points up. So I would really want to see us retrace this candle here from 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now to the downside, if we lose today's lows, it's another full bore short, right? Next support 24,710. That's all I'm looking at. Do we get below today's lows? What I want to see is a crack below today's lows, and then I want to confirm that on a following 15-minute candle, 30-minute candle, 1 hour candle, specifically probably a higher candle, a higher time frame candle. Like I don't really want to sweep the low of day today on a 1 minute candle and then jump in on the following one minute candle. I want there to be some strength behind that. So I'll be looking at probably the 30-minute view and the 60-minute view on that. Now, if we do bounce tomorrow, again, like I said, I need to reclaim 24,930. All of this in between here, all this in the middle, I want no parts of it. So the higher we get in here, if we sweep these areas, 900s, we sweep these areas, and then let's say it puts in some type of doji candle or an inverse hammer candle, then absolutely I'm waiting for a following candle to confirm the low, and I'm going to go short. I'm going to short back down into these supports, 24,886. 24,864 and 24,795. Anything below this area here, which let's get the exact price, 24,780. If we get below that, I want to see a break below 780, and then I want to see a following candle confirm, and then I'm going to try to target 24,700. Disclaimer, doesn't mean that I'm going to look for the entirety of that move into 700. It just means that if we break this price here, this candlestick here, today's lows, 24,780. If we break 780 and let's say we put in a low at 770, if we confirm 770, I want to trade that down 10, 15, 20 points into 700. It doesn't mean I want to take it from 770 down to 700. So hopefully that helps you guys. Again, take advantage of those discount codes with Apex and day traders. Again, Apex's 80% off sale does end today. If you guys want to trade with me, you guys can join the Discord. That link's down in the description box below. If not, you guys can catch me here on YouTube. Make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video, though. That's the only thing I do ask. It's free to do it. Just give me a thumbs up on the video. I highly appreciate it. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.